It is now time to schedule actions. Specifically in spring, we see the template, fabricate, and install actions are unscheduled. To schedule those, we're going to go into the scheduler. In order to schedule, you do need to have a job selected. In this case, we can see we already have a job selected, but if you didn't, you could always search and then click enter to get that job selected. We're going to look in day, week, or month view, and in this case, we're looking week view, and then we're going to find a time next week to schedule this template. You'll schedule by double clicking on a time slot. So we see the job, the action. You could add a comment. We see that start time is already selected. You could confirm or not confirm this action. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. There it shows how long this job will take, and then I'll click OK. If you hover over the action, you can see information about that job. So we could see the color and the square feet, etc. To change how long a job would take, you'll left click and drag, or you could also change the number of hours in the action itself by double clicking on the action. When I confirm a job, we can see before it's confirmed, there are two little red question marks, and when it's been confirmed, those question marks go away. In the top left, you can change which schedule you're looking at. So right now we're looking at the template. This is the fabricate schedule. This is the install. And then I'm going to look at the schedule that combines all of our actions. So we can see this is the template schedule. And now I'm going to go ahead and schedule the fabricate action. So when I double click on Fabricator, we're able to schedule a fabricate action. And another way to schedule actions is directly in the actions grid. So we can see those other two. And then I'm going to click the calendar icon, select a time and date. And then I'll close this out. It's telling me to select a user, so I'm going to make sure this install action is assigned to the installer, and then I'll say this is going to take us 3 hours. This little green arrow will take you to that job on the scheduler, so when I click that, it's going to take me to that install on the date that I set it. I have a search bar to find jobs, so I'm going to go to the template schedule. So let's say I wanted to figure out when the template is happening for this job. So I'm going to type in job 37 on the template schedule, and that's going to take me to that scheduled template action. Once you complete a scheduled action, it's going to drop off your calendar, and so then we won't see it. If you want to see completed actions, you can check the show completed checkbox, and then this will show you those completed actions in addition to the scheduled actions. Next, you can learn about adding comments or exporting actions to Google Calendar.